Have you ever shouted at your child, then immediately felt guilty, even after you promised yourself you wouldn't do that again? But then it just happened. If that is you, you need to hear this. You are not a bad parent. Losing your patience does not make you a bad parent. Losing your patience doesn't mean you failed as a parent. All that matters is what you do next. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ruth and this is Raising Kids in Real Time Unfiltered. So what do you do when you lose patience with your child? Today, I'm going to be showing you some steps on how to repair the moment and steps on how to become a calmer parent over time. Now, what do you do when you lose patience with your child? Maybe you've snapped, maybe you've shouted, maybe you've even slammed doors, or maybe you've just felt completely overwhelmed. I need you to know this, that you are not alone. Every parent sometimes loses patience. The goal is not to become a perfect parent. The goal is to keep learning and keep growing. So now, why do we lose patience? You know that sometimes children can test our patience. Oh my. They can test our patience. How? When they refuse to listen, when they fight with their siblings, when they ask questions, when they ask the same question more than 20 times, and even when they make a mess after you have just cleaned. That can make you lose your patience. But you know what? Most times we do not just lose patience because of just one thing. We lose patience because we are already empty. We are already empty. Maybe you're tired, maybe you're stressed out, maybe you've had a very difficult day at work, maybe you're even worried about money, maybe you're not even sleeping well. And so, when something little happens, we snap. So, the truth is, it's not always about our children. It is because we are running on empty. We are running on empty. Now, the first step on how to be calm when you lose patience is to pause. The first thing is to pause. Take a few seconds, take a few minutes, walk into a room, just take a deep breath. You know what? Those few seconds actually can help your brain to relax. Because if you react immediately, you would say things that you will regret. So just take a moment, take a few seconds, breathe, and just pause before making any decision or before reacting. So the next step is to take care of yourself. And this will surprise you. One of the best way of becoming calm, becoming a calmer parent that you want to be when you lose patience is actually to take care of yourself. Do you know why? Because you cannot pour from an empty cup. You cannot. So, I need to let you know today that sleep matters. Eating well matters. Rest matters. Taking short breaks matters a lot. Asking for help matters. So looking after yourself isn't selfish. It helps you become the parent you want to be. So the next point or step is to teach after everyone is calm. Teach after everyone is calm. You know, when emotions are high, honestly, learning is low. So if your child is still crying or if you're still angry, that is not the best time to lecture. Ensure that everyone is calm. Wait, when everyone is calm, then you can talk about what happened. You can ask your child why they did what they did. You can ask your child what they would do differently next time. So you do not lecture. You do not talk about what happened when emotions are still very high. Okay, so the next step is to not expect perfection. You see, sometimes social media makes parenting look so perfect. You see a perfect home, you see a perfect parent, you see perfect children. But real life is not like that. Good parents make mistakes. Good parents apologize. Good parents lose their patience. What you should know is that your child doesn't need perfect parent. Your child just need parent who will love them. So, my final encouragement for you is, if you've lost patience recently, please do not spend the next week feeling guilty. Instead, learn from it and repair the relationship by trying again tomorrow. Parenting is not about getting it right. Remember, your child is not looking for perfect parent. Your child is not looking for perfection. Your child is looking for connection. So, if this video has encouraged you today, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. I would also like to hear from you. Share your tips. What helps you stay calm when parenting gets difficult? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Remember, you are doing better than you think. See you next time. Bye-bye.